Hi, I'm Owen Mellema. I was the back-end Python developer for this project, and I just want to show you our app that we created. Our app is called Quantum Activities. So rolling with the theme of Don't Make Me Think, we thought about something that would make a choice for you, a choice of where to eat, where to watch, what movie to get, what entertainment venue to go to, and what video game to try. And the reason that we created it this way is because oftentimes it's difficult to make a random selection. We often get stuck in little ruts. So we decided to make a program that will help you get you out of a rut and try something new. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select a restaurant. And we see that it automatically chose a pizza shuttle. So, if you wanted to plan a date night, I don't know why you'd want to go to Pizza Shuttle for your date night, but hey. And if I select that again, you'll see that it brings up a completely different option, Jimmy John's. Now, if we go to movies, we'll see a very similar behavior. The Solo movie. And once again, if we select it again, we'll get a new option. Venom. And we also have something made for entertainment venues, which include bars and museums. So in this instance, I'm showing the Replay Lounge. I've personally never heard of that, but it might be fun. And we also have video games. Just in case you wanted to try a new video game. And that's basically it. We wanted to add basically as much functionality behind the scenes and show as little to the user as possible, just to run with the theme of Don't Make Me Think. Anyways, that's just about it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and quantum activities.